Now, here I am solving a query sent by a student. The problem is based on time and work. A and B together can finish a job in 10 days, while B and C together can do it in 18 days. A started the job and worked for 5 days, then B worked for 10 days, and remaining job was finished by C in 15 days. That means precisely we are having 5 A days plus 10 B days plus 15 C days to complete the task. Now listen to me carefully. A and B together can finish the job in 10 days. That means the total work is of 10A and 10B days, right? 10A plus 10B. But we have 5A days. Now this 10B I break into 5B and 5B, right? So this 5A plus 5B, right? Half of the work is done, because in 10A plus 10B full work is done. That means in 5A and 5B half work is done, right? Plus B and C together can do this work in 18 days, right? Now that means 5B plus 5C plus 10C. I am breaking it, this 15C into 5C and 10C. Now this 5 is already done. This 5B plus this 5C, right? Now what is happening? 18B, that means B plus C together they are doing 1 upon 18th work per day, right? That means B plus C is 1 upon 18. That means 5B plus 5C is 5 by 18, right? So when B is working for 5 days, remaining 5 days, and the C is working for 5 days, they are able to do 5 by 18 of the work. Now this much work is done. 1 by 2 is what? 9 by 18. So 9 plus 5, 14 by 18 work is done. That means 7 by 9 work is done. 2 by 9 work is left. Now this 2 by 9 work has been done by C in 10 days, right? This is already finished. This is already finished. So 2 by 9 work is done in 10 days. That means the entire work is done in 90 by 2, that is 45 days by C. Okay, no need to make lengthy equations. It's very simple. I hope you are clear. So this is the correct choice. Okay.